I've completed the circle for what I need in terms of the water mixable oil colours. If you look here, I've got two in the middle, the black and white, titanium white, ivory black. I'll just show you close up. It's the Winsor & Newton Artisan water mixable oil colours. So if we take that as being the 12 o'clock position, and it's the first primary, cadmium red dark or cadmium red deep is good enough for that. And then if we take 12, so 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock position, we've got cadmium yellow light, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 o'clock position, we've got the French ultramarine, which is the next primary. So the three primaries, cadmium red dark, cadmium red yellow light, and French ultramarine blue. And then in between this one and the yellow one, we've got the cadmium orange. Now the word U is a bit debatable as to whether it's permanent, but anyway, been reassured that it is. And then in between the yellow and the blue, we've got Viridian, which is the next mix to these two. And then in between the cadmium red dark, French ultramarine blue, you've got a dioxazine purple. So you've got primaries and secondaries there, and then you've got tertiaries in between. For example, the primary, secondary mixed together gives you a tertiary cadmium red light. And here again we've got the cadmium yellow light there gave us the secondary for this. And these are the tertiaries in between. This one, which is a phthalo green, which is the yellow shade. Another tertiary between these two, which will give us a cerulean blue, and so forth. Now the other one I've got in this mixture is this medium, a fast drying medium this one is. And then one that's used a lot for blocking in your values before you add any colour to a painting is this one, Burnt Umber or Burnt Sienna, whichever one you want. So there we go. Now from there, if we talk about values, values is like a black and white thing. Now I've created a value scale here starting white and black and the gradations in between, the greys. And then if you look at that and then look at the colour, how this is the lightest value and this is the darkest value on the scale. Cadmium yellow light and dioxazine purple. Gradually adding each of each, you get a neutral in the middle kind of thing. If you blur your eyes at that, you can see the correlation between a black and white and the colours. It's called the value. Look at the value. And look how it values with this. See how that's light? See how that's dark? And in between. Now over here, I've just taken the 12 o'clock position, the cadmium red deep, or cadmium red dark, and I've mixed it opposite on the colour wheel with its complementary. Which is, so we've got a primary and this secondary between these two here, which is the Viridian. Mixed together, Viridian on one side, cadmium red on the other, mixed together. You've got to bear in mind the strength of the colours, how much you need. You'll end up with a neutral in the middle and gradations in between. Now if you add varying degrees of white as we go down, you end up getting tints of that colour. So adding white gives tints. And again, don't forget our usual colour wheel. And I want to show you a book that I thought was really good. Colour Mixing Recipes. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's really good. You look in the back under the index for, I don't know, say gold or something. I'll just show you in the back. I don't know. We've got a list. We'll say, I don't know, let's have a look. Eggshell, for example, there. Page 286. You go to, sorry, number colour code 286. There we are on this page here, look. Now that's telling you the proportions. 286 is 8 parts white to 1 part yellow ochre. And that will give you that kind of eggshell. And it works all throughout the book. Now at the beginning of the book it talks about colour theory, colour wheel, everything I was kind of explaining to you there. And the rest of it is colour recipes. It's a fabulous book, I highly recommend it. Okay, thanks a lot, bye.